These 25 facts sound completely fake at first glance, but every single one of them is backed by science and absolutely real. And believe it or not, one of them is directly connected to how your brain is working right now, even as you're watching this video. Let's go. Fact number 1. There's a species of fungus called Armillaria osteae in Oregon that covers over 9 square kilometers, making it the largest living organism on Earth. It spreads underground through a network of root-like filaments. It is estimated to be over 2,000 years old. Fact number 2. The sound of your eyeballs moving is real, but you can't normally hear it. Some people with super-sensitive microphones or a rare condition called superior canal dehiscence can actually hear their own eyes shift inside their skull. Fact number 3. In the 1970s, NASA used trees as seismic detectors. Known as tremometers, they were studied to detect vibrations from underground nuclear tests by observing subtle movements in the trees' trunks. Fact number 4. On Saturn and Jupiter, scientists believe it rains diamonds. Under extreme pressure deep in their atmospheres, carbon atoms may form diamonds that literally fall through the clouds like precious stones. Fact number 5. In Barrow, Alaska, the sun sets in November and doesn't rise again until late January. For more than 60 days, the town lives in complete polar night, a natural phenomenon that still amazes even longtime residents. Fact number 6. Human bodies are home to more bacterial cells than human ones. Although the exact ratio varies, trillions of microorganisms live in your gut, on your skin, and even in your lungs, essential for digestion and immunity. Fact number 7. Google Maps and other online maps intentionally distort some borders depending on the viewer's location. For example, borders between India and China may appear different in different countries due to political pressure. Fact number 8. Some species of turtles can breathe through their rectum. This odd adaptation helps them survive underwater for long periods, especially in cold climates where surface breathing is limited. Fact number 9. Ants never sleep. Instead of having long rest periods like humans, they take thousands of micro-naps throughout the day and night, just seconds at a time, but enough to stay functional. Fact number 10. Bees can recognize human faces. In lab experiments, bees were trained to associate certain faces with rewards, demonstrating a surprising level of visual processing in their tiny brains. Fact number 11. The human brain contains more synaptic connections than there are stars in the Milky Way, about 100 trillion. These connections form the complex web that makes thought, memory, and learning possible. Fact number 12. Lightning strikes the Earth over 6,000 times every minute. That's about 8 million strikes a day, many of which occur in concentrated lightning hotspots in South America, Africa, and Southeast Asia. Fact number 13. A single pencil can draw a line 56 kilometers long. That's enough to trace a line from one end of Manhattan to the other and back. Fact number 14. Glass is not a true solid. It's actually a very slow-flowing liquid. In old cathedrals, ancient glass windows are often thicker at the bottom, showing how gravity affected their structure over centuries. Fact number 14. The moon still has mirrors left behind by astronauts during the Apollo missions. Scientists use them to reflect lasers from Earth and precisely measure the distance to the moon, which increases by 3.8 centimeters each year. Fact number 16. Your fingertips wrinkle in water not because of absorption, but due to your nervous system. The effect improves grip on wet surfaces and is believed to be an evolutionary adaptation. Fact number 17. Some trees can go dormant like animals in winter. Species like the American sycamore shut down their inner systems and wait out the cold, saving energy and moisture just like hibernating animals. Fact number 18. Your body produces enough electricity to power a small LED bulb. This bioelectricity is generated through chemical reactions in your cells and is essential for muscle movement and brain activity. Fact number 19. Some jellyfish are biologically immortal. Species like Turritopsis dohrnii can revert their cells to an earlier state and start life over, effectively cheating death indefinitely under the right conditions. Fact number 20. Octopuses have 3 hearts, and 2 of them stop beating when they swim. These incredibly intelligent creatures also change color and texture to camouflage themselves instantly. Fact number 21. The Great Pyramid of Giza was the tallest man-made structure on Earth for over 3,800 years. It was built so precisely that modern engineers still debate how ancient Egyptians achieved such accuracy without modern tools. Fact number 22. Thomas Edison didn't invent the light bulb, he improved it. Dozens of inventors created earlier versions, but Edison made it practical by using carbon filament and inventing a system for generating and distributing electricity. Fact number 23. Hydrogen fuel cell vehicles emit only water vapor. Instead of burning fuel, they use a chemical reaction between hydrogen and oxygen to power the car, making them among the cleanest vehicles on the planet. Fact number 24. Native American tribes developed complex democratic systems long before European contact. The Iroquois Confederacy, for example, used representative councils and a constitution that inspired early U.S. government structures. Fact number 25. Today's smartphones are more powerful than the computers used for the Apollo 11 moon landing. The onboard system of the lunar module had less processing power than a modern pocket calculator. If even one of these facts blew your mind, just imagine what's coming in the next episodes. We've only scratched the surface. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a single strange but true discovery again.